For this video, we will determine the value of Philippine bills and coins up to 100 pesos. Do you remember this coin? This coin is worth 1 peso. Now, what if you have 5 pieces of these coins? How much will you have in all? Since each coin is 1 peso, we can just count the coins and this will be the value of these coins. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 pesos. Or we can also think of it like adding all the values of each coin, such as 1 peso plus 1 peso plus 1 peso plus 1 peso plus 1 peso equals 5 pesos. Therefore, if you have 5 pieces of 1 peso coins, your money is worth 5 pesos. Or it is also the same amount with this particular coin. This coin is worth 5 pesos. Let us have another example. What if you have 4 pieces of 5 peso coin? How much money do you have? Take note, it is important that you know the value of each coin so that you would know how much money you have in all. Take note also that these coins are worth 5 pesos. So, you can skip count by 5 to get the total value of these coins. We have 5, 10, 15, 20. Or we can also think of it as 5 pesos plus 5 pesos plus 5 pesos plus 5 pesos equals 20 pesos. Therefore, 4 pieces of these 5 peso coins are worth 20 pesos. Or it is also the same worth of this coin or of this bill. This time, we have 10 pieces of 10 peso coins. How much will this be? Let's determine the value of each coin. Each coin is worth 10 pesos. So, you can skip count by 10. Let us count all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have 100 pesos. We can also think of it as 10 pesos plus 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 10 pesos. Let's check if these are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have, altogether, we have 100 pesos. Therefore, 10 pieces of coins is worth 100 pesos. Or the same with the value of a 100 peso bill. Let's have another example, but this time it will be composed of different bills and even coins with different denominations. In this example, what is the total value of the money shown? So let's try to get the value of each denominations. So for this bill, we have 50 pesos. This is worth 50 pesos. This coin is worth 20 pesos. And this particular coin is worth 10 pesos. These 4 coins here have the same denominations, which is 1 peso. So, the money that we have is 1 50 peso bill, 1 20 peso coin, 1 10 peso coin, and 4 1 peso coins. Now, how do we get the value, the total value of this money? First, we add the tens. What are the tens here? We have the 50, 20, and 10. So we add all these three. That's 50 plus 20 plus 10, which is equal to 80 pesos. Now, once we have for 1 peso, so this has a total of 4 pesos. So we will just add the total value of this bills in tens and this 4 pesos. So that would be 80 pesos plus 4 pesos, which has a total of 84 pesos. Let's have another example. What about this set of coins and bills? What do you think would be the total value of this money? Alright, before we get the total value of this money, we have to rearrange first according to same denominations. So, we have already arranged the bills and coins according to the same number of denominations. So, for the first part, take note that the 20 peso bill and this 20 peso coin has the same value. They are both worth 20 pesos. How about these three 10 peso coins? Each coin is worth 10 pesos. Then we have one 5 peso coin and two 1 peso coin. So let's count first the tens. We have two 20 pesos. So that's 20 plus 20 equals 40 pesos. The three 10 pesos is the same as 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 30 pesos. And we have 5 peso coin. For once, we have 5 peso coins. And these two coins here, to 1 peso coin is worth 2 pesos. So, these ones are worth 7 pesos. The tens are 40 pesos plus 30 pesos, which is equivalent to 70 pesos. So adding them all together, we will have 70 plus 7 pesos is equal to 77 pesos. Always remember, you can apply different strategies when determining the total value of money. Let's write it down. Let's write it as some strategies. So, the first one is we can group together money with the same or same denomination. Grouping money that is easier to count by tens or ones. We can also do skip counting or just add the values. The values of each denominations. Most importantly, identifying the value of each coin or bill is important so we can determine how much we have in all.